In the dynamic landscape of modern warfare, drone technology has ascended as a transformative force, reshaping the dynamics of battles globally. At the forefront of this revolution is Turkey, a nation propelling itself into the future with significant investments, unleashing a new era of cutting-edge machines. Among them, the ANKA 3 stealth drone, crafted by Turkish Aerospace Industries, emerges as a pivotal player in revolutionizing Turkey's air combat capabilities. This sleek and stealthy marvel operates invisibly to enemy radar, embodying Turkey's ambition to dominate the global EV market. With a low radar signature, remarkable speed, and lethal precision, the ANKA 3 is poised to be a force to be reckoned with in the thrilling arena of aerial warfare. In a world where powerful nations vie for supremacy in drone systems, Turkey's mastery of drone technology stands out. The ANKA 3 MAYAS, standing for National Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle System, was unveiled during the celebration of Turkey's Victory Day. This revelation marks a significant milestone, coinciding with the 100th anniversary of modern Turkey's founding by Kemal Ataturk. The ANKA 3 MAYAS boasts a jet engine, high payload capacity, and a tailless structure nearly invisible to radar. Images of this ambitious Turkish air combat aircraft were officially released in mid-March 2023, captivating experts and enthusiasts alike. While Turkish authorities keep precise details under wraps, some specifications of the ANKA 3 have surfaced. Approximately the size of a light fighter, powered by a turbofan engine, it boasts a takeoff weight of 14,330 pounds and a payload capacity of 2,645 pounds. With a service altitude of 40,000 feet and endurance of up to 10 hours. The ANKA 3 reaches a cruising speed of 280 mph and a maximum speed of 489 mph. The drone's design, reminiscent of Boeing's X-45C and Dassault's Neuron, features a unique serrated dorsal air intake and auxiliary intake near the engine exhaust. These distinctive elements contribute to its resilience and extended endurance. The ANKA 3 stands as a testament to Turkey's commitment to innovation and versatility. Equipped with advanced communication data links, its roles encompass suppression destruction of enemy air defense, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. In a league of its own, the ANKA 3 sports both internal and external weapon stations, enhancing its flexibility and operational range. Designed with a low radar cross-section, the ANKA 3 lacks horizontal and vertical stabilization in the tail design. Its weapon stations, housed in the fuselage, further contribute to its dynamic and advanced capabilities, making it a crucial asset in Turkey's defense strategy, alongside manned aircraft like the TFX stealthy fighter. Turkey's aerospace industry has been diligently focusing on advancing unmanned aerial combat capabilities. While global players disclose their programs, Turkey emphasizes indigenous initiatives, actively deploying ANKA medium-altitude long-endurance unmanned aerial vehicle systems. These projects, including ANKA 3, represent a new era of promise for Turkey's aerospace industry and tactical capabilities. Despite challenges like airframe development, software integration, and geopolitical complexities, Turkey remains steadfast in its pursuit. The future hinges on successfully integrating these aircraft into its defense strategy, offering a potential boost to its export capabilities. The ANKA 3 combat unmanned aircraft system stands as one of Turkey's most ambitious projects, with its test schedule leading up to the first flight targeted for April 2023. Turkey's aerospace development is set to achieve a significant milestone. The focus on stealthy flying wing UCAVs underscores Turkey's determination to enhance its air combat capabilities, potentially reshaping the global UAV market. As Turkey continues its trajectory in aerospace projects, the nation's future in air combat and defense strategy appears promising. If successful, the ANKA 3 and its counterparts could provide an intriguing mix of advanced unmanned aerial combat capabilities to the Turkish Air Force and potential export customers in the future.